Let me see here. That's probably not right. Maybe like that. Yeah, I'm sure that's a flattering view. Welcome back to the channel. You can see that I have something old going on today. So you guys who watched my last video know that my Insta360 crapped out on me. Said it couldn't read the SD card. Bought a new SD card, formatted it, did a quick format and a long format. And the Insta360 still would not read it. Yeah, my face shield's fogging up. I'm sure the camera lens is too. Seems like every day I want to get out with you guys. It's nasty out. That's good. I might be able to find a park without some rugrats around. Since it's raining, it shouldn't be that hard to find one. Might be raining, but at least there aren't any rugrats around. And that's a gazebo. I'm going to stand up. Thought I would update you guys on the channel. I think I mentioned that the new SD card wouldn't be recognized in the camera either. So fortunately, I got it for Christmas, and the warranty actually didn't start until Christmas of last year. And we got a few more weeks on that. So I contacted the Insta360 people. Very nice, very professional on the phone. They showed me how to send it back for warranty and for them to check it, see if they could repair it or replace it. And it's in the mail right now, going to them. I think I've been relying too much on the Insta360 as my primary, actually the only camera that I use on my trips. So it's kind of lucky for me that it failed on a relatively small trip, because I just passed the 600 subscriber mark, and thank you, by the way. Be sure, like and subscribe. Every time I get to a centennial, I like to do something special, so I had a special longer trip planned, and I won't tell you, that's still in the cards. And that's coming up as soon as I get my 360 camera back, but I can't rely on the 360 solely. I'm gonna have to use different cameras. So that's why I am testing out the 2 GoPros the way I used to do it. I just haven't done it in a long time, so I wanna see what's the best configuration. I'm gonna try to keep posting every week, and I might miss one here come Christmas time because we got some events planned, and I have something exotic for you guys in the future. So keep an eye out, like and subscribe, and make sure you click that notification bell, because when it comes up, it's gonna be something completely different for this channel. I think you're gonna like it. So thanks for watching, everybody, and y'all take care. You guys make sure you like and subscribe. Be safe out there.